Meaning of inevitability.
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 Inevitability. Inevitability refers to the quality of being unavoidable or certain to happen, often in reference to an event or outcome that cannot be prevented or changed. It suggests that there is no way things could have turned out differently and that the end result was predetermined. This term can carry a sense of resignation or fatalism, but also implies a recognition of the limitations of human agency in the face of larger forces or events. In short, inevitability connotes an overwhelming sense of fate or destiny, where the outcome was always going to be as it is.